How to buy live token on bybit wallet. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. So this token, as you can see, this token, it's available right now on the COINEX. To be able to buy this token on bybit wallet, copy the token address from here. This token address is on the Solana network. Open your bybit wallet for that. Now, as you can see, select the Solana as a network. Now, so after that, what you need to do, click on these three lines. Now click on this plus icon, paste the token address here, and as you can see, click on confirm. Now go back to your wallet and find the token that you just added, click on it. So after that, click on swap here. As you can see, we'll be able to access the bybit exchange platform. What you need to do here after that, you need to connect your bybit wallet, click on connect wallet. So after you connect your bybit wallet, switch it from here. From the top, select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDT, and make sure that you have enough USDT on your wallet. Now here type how much you want to buy. So here we'll be able to see how much you receive. After that, click on swap, and you will be able to buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy live token on bybit wallet. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.